sir. Time now for this hour's car review. Mr. Mars has recorded a nice little piece on the Jeep Wrangler, and here it is.
I had the chance to drive the 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. Now, this is a midsize SUV, 5-passenger, based on the 4-door limited Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler does come in 6 trim levels: the Sport S, the Rubicon, the Sahara, the High Altitude, and the Rubicon 392 that we were driving. Now, new for this year, it has a factory-installed 8,000-pound worn winch. It's got a new 7-slot grille design up front, even integrated the antenna to kind of smooth out the lines on the vehicle. Up front, you're going to find fog lights, tow hooks all around, and skid plates underneath at all the critical places. It does have a 2-inch suspension lift with Fox shocks because this is the Rubicon. We also had the optional Sky one-touch power top. This vehicle rolls on some 17 by 8-inch beadlock capable wheels, and because of that, they reinforced the entire spare carrier mechanism on the back tailgate because that's a big, heavy tire and wheel combination. Now, you get into the inside, you're going to see we've got leather seating. The front seats are heated. They are electric adjustable in the Rubicon, but they have been water crossing tested just in case you get in a little too deep. We have the 12.3-inch touchscreen. The little small screens are gone now in the Rubicon 392. All your convenience controls are there, much easier to get to because of the larger screen. Navigation, the Uconnect system is all there, and it even has a front camera there for when you're out rock crawling. Helps a whole lot. For audio, we had the Alpine Premium audio system that will fill up the inside of that Jeep real well with some nice quality sound and make sure all your neighbors know what your favorite songs are. Now, up under the hood, this is part of what makes this vehicle special. 6.4-liter V8 SRT engine, 475 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque, backed by an 8-speed automatic. This vehicle is capable of towing 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. Now, the EPA says you should be looking for 13 miles to the gallon in the city, 16 out on the highway. I drove the vehicle 388.5 miles the week I had it. I got 13.0 as an average. I will say the 392 provides a lot of smooth power. It's easy to ease around wherever you want to go, and I can imagine rock crawling, because we don't have many rocks down here. We got a lot of sand. You'd have to be a little touchy with that accelerator pedal because it'd be very easy to goose at the wrong time. But you put the hammer down on that thing out on the highway, it will sing nicely. It does have a firm ride out on that highway, but with that heavier engine, I actually think it improves the ride a lot because it feels more solid, more attached to the highway. There's still road noise. It's a big vehicle with big tires on it, so it's going to make some noise, but it does drive better in my opinion. Now, the base model price is $49,990. Now, the base trim price in that Rubicon level is $87,595. As tested, we're looking at $95,945 with the options. Some of the other competitors don't have 24 pricing out, so a 2023 Ford Bronco starts at $35,890. However, you look across at the Bronco Raptor, which would be the closest thing to this Rubicon, $75,375 to start. 2023 Land Rover Defender starts at $56,400. 2023 Toyota 4Runner starts at $41,490. So you take all these competitors and you stack them up against the Wrangler Rubicon 392, and you look at the power and you look at the performance that you're getting out of it, both on the highway and off-road, then you really start to see where the Jeep is going to take you. Something definitely worth driving. And that's my review of the 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392.
You know, he doesn't sound sick.